Ka program Pyllait Paidbah ia kekot jingwat banyak dak Rich Long Ministries Halor ki Khynnah ki badan ha ke Jingma kabalai kerteng Children of Rees, a study conducted in Shillong Urban Agglomeration dak Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasils District kakong Isawanda lalu ha ka no phaisngi jong ka arpo hendro trik benai jemang arjar arpoar I Dr. Melari Shisha Nongrum ilai tu bana kita ki sauspa asan po nyongut Arpulai persen ki Khynnah ki bom late school bat habakran bat ki kimi ki kapa jongki lasyam bakim dei shisha ki bom late school 80% persen kila sedang ban penon kam tuma bat san persen pat kila sedang hak jingdi penpuan hagane program Pyllait Paidbah yak ti kod jingwat banya la yadon lang ikong ML warjeri bedai DCPO East Khasils District I Dr. Melari Shisha Nongrum u Reverend RJ lalu bedai Presiden ka Rich Long Ministries ki Khynnah konsuet bat kiwe pan
Ipaswal la ayang ay kanika kwat haswaban petlong kanika program bagan yo kan go through kandiat tinga snu shishaba kadai ka timely study ka study dan ni ka jingpet penya ka bangia don kam ha baro kumbangitet ling ladam don ka data ka babiang ladam don kanu ka jing pulia benya ka babiang nginum la anwan ra I jing terekam ki babha ngala complete ni kong mati wajri ma bianga nambang ni kenduman kasni tina snu kumbang antep ai khublei ikong mati wajri ibre district child protection officer iba bunkam hadu kata hendrei limba ka jing tre ka jong I bat ka jing ka coordination jong I bat ki child care institutions bat ki NGO prepare ki department prepare nila shishaban pentelun ki kam ki biadei bat ka child protection hapo ka district bat ka state ka jong I kumbang laong kilayo I bala kadeo bakat kum ka NCPCR the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights kat kum ki special ki development goals ki SDGs ki labo da ka UN kawai na ki bahmat tam kalong kumno ngin la ban pinsngan kumno bangin la ban ay ka environment ka balong conducive la ni ka babaha ka babet na ka benta ki Khynnah ki balong hakakin parang on the most vulnerable sections of society ki Khynnah ki dei ki badang don Hapdeng ka jinghe ka jingsan ki badon in ongno ki bampat yo ya kata majority ka ba full haga met ka phat ka jongki bat kum juru ka jing perkhat ka jongki ki dang don Hapdeng ka growth ka bangi ong kum juru ki dang trot bor ti ki long kita ki bangi ong ki vulnerable sections of society Take away na ki goals, away na ki objective ki jongi kum ka sarkar, bat kum ki departments ki repair ki long ba ngin la ban ay ka environment ka ecosystem ka babiang na benta ki Khynnah na dong sha dong na do ka puli ka puthi ka jongi ka kot ka kya ka jongi ka jingnang jing start ka jongi ka jing millen jongi ha ki games ki sports ki activity ki repair khnang ba yo ka all round development na ne ka jing ngin dong no ka jing kya krat bat bakin san habaro ki berita nitip kumbala ong mene ba kumba 100% Southport na kashispa jong kinong shong hakari India jong ibaro kuway gidei ki Khynnah ki padang hapo khat kras nem karata kapan ong 0 to 18 years population kidon ki kenthop 100% jong total jong kinong shong ha kari ka jong ita ni ka percentage ka bahai ba
the key findings of the study kalong ba we have seen that 21.4% of children live with only their mothers and 8% do not live with either parent. Kamot ki shong either but ki grandparents ne but ki bahiye ki bahasem. Nami shupet lang baro about 30% kim shong but ki kim don kapa la shong no. The father figure is missing. 89% of the children live with minimal material comfort and assets, as a large majority live in rented places and mostly shanty in nature. Kumba ngilala hiban madur. In terms of food diversity, the food diversity is quite poor, with an average of just 2.89 food groups from the desired minimum 5 food groups a day out of 10 food groups. Samot kubabodhi kibam tanggaja ba ujhor kaba man kasni keduna bha kableng keduna bha ki jurjangam ki so nuts and seeds kumta yakani ngila base yakani ki food groups naka Food and Agriculture Organization Dietary Diversity Guideline. But come down kanu gajing pair hakani ka dietary diversity Hapdeng ki Khynnah kanthei but ki Khynnah. Only 50% jong kini ki longye ki shim ya ka public distribution system ne ka mangiong ni Jingtip kum ka ration, but this is mainly due to the lack of documents to apply for a PDS card. This 100% tang shiteng na kini ki longye. Nang tarong ngayon iba tang 54% na kilongye ki avail na ki don yung MHIS card ru, but na kini ki Khynnah ki don ru ki blasdang mandi secret ban ba mi ki way pat ki smokeless tobacco but kumjuru wat ban sedang mandi kiat ru. So ngayon iba close to 10% of these children. In terms of right to development, kabalong staff bahag ni ka finding kalong ba kulay percent ni kini ki Khynnah kim shunele school show no kim don has school but tikani kalong ke aka ba let's say ni diba campaign niya ikani. In terms of parents education ru niyo iba 1/3 of the parents have never been enrolled in school mo tiki parents ru kilong quite low in their education. Mainly ki trade in the unorganized sector such as daily wage labor, domestic workers, street vendors, drivers, etc. Tingyo kumba kalong penban kum almost like a cycle. Ki kim let school tenang ta education jo ki Khynnah ru kalong at stake. Nang tapat niyo ru ba in terms of sharing their problems and kini ki Khynnah ki share bha kame which is 82% and followed by the siblings, and 4% do not share their problems with anyone if they have, and they have a better relationship with their father as compared to their with their mother as compared to the father. And in terms of recreation, 74.8% of the children do play games, and 34% of them go to the streets as usually there's no place for them to play. And one of the leisure activities of the elder boys is online games and browsing video games in cyber cafes. So whatever money they would get, they would actually do that. But in terms of career aspiration, sorry the graph is a little small, but it's interesting to also know that more than 70% have a career aspiration. Either teacher or policeman or something. No? So that means that even though they are in very difficult circumstances at present, they do want to become someone in the future. So therefore there is a career aspiration for them. In terms of right to protection, we see that 25% of the children have no adult supervision in the daytime, and 16% are cared for by their elder siblings. So we can see that almost 40% have no adult supervision during the daytime, and there are 15 children who have expressed that sometimes they were frightened also because of course the main reason was bullying from other children, and 15 children have also said that they have been sexually assaulted. In terms of the locality-wise distribution of daycare for children, we see that for children in Police Bazaar and Norman Song, kidan kibabon do kibamdai kajing pet jongki balahe blasan mensni kata 90% Police Bazaar and 51% in Norman Song, and 37% are Yodo. Kidon ru ki Khynnah Kiba engage in labor haka ki kam pijam, but niyo iba ki there are different types of work. For example, construction work, daily wage, domestic worker, drivers, fruit vendors, mechanics, milk delivery. But kumta terre kumbangina Iaka graph. But kibabon ni kine kidehi kibalapat saus nam cheneng, but kidon ni kumbashpo ni ki benang day hapo ka katsaus nam.